Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto breakfast cookies. Okay, let's start with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 1.5 cups of some kind of seed or nut. You could use flaked almonds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. You could use flaked almonds with coconut flakes, whatever you can use. I found these pumpkin kernels that are made in a factory with no nuts at all, so that's what I'm using because, you know, we have nut allergies here. Then you need 1/2 cup of some kind of nut butter or peanut butter. I'm, of course, using Wowbutter because it's made from soy and we love it. Then you need 1/2 cup of some kind of sugar-free sweetener. I'm using the Monkfruit because, again, you know, we love it. Then we need 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of butter unsalted, which is 1/2 stick, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So that is what you need. And as you can see, I mean, that's pretty much no big cookie. So instead of oats, we are going to be using these these pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, almonds, whatever you want to use. So let's go ahead and get started. I lined a cookie sheet with parchment paper or wax paper, and we're going to set that to the side. And I need a saucepan that I'm going to heat over medium heat. And I'm going to add to it my butter, cocoa powder, and sugar. Alright, that looks great to me. Basically, you want to just keep stirring it until all of your butter is melted and it combines with everything. So now I've removed it from the heat. I'm going to add in my Wowbutter and my vanilla extract and just stir that to combine. Alright, my Wowbutter and vanilla extract are nice and combined in there. So next I am just going to go ahead and dollop this over top of my seeds, which are already in a large bowl, and use a spatula to combine it because my mixture is really thick. Alright, all my seeds are nice and combined with my mixture, and I just went ahead and used my hands after it cooled off just to really incorporate everything. So now I'm going to use a cookie scoop and just scoop out my tablespoon sized cookies onto my prepared pan. Alright, my cookies are all ready to go. We have 19 here. I just scooped mine out with my cookie scoop and then just kind of pat them down. You can shape them however you would like. According to my calculations for everything I used, my cookies are about 3.8 carbs each. So I'm going to go ahead and stick these in the refrigerator for a few hours because you really want them to set up. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.